Umndeni wase-Eldorado Park osekuphela inyanga udonsa kanzima ngenxa yendle ebigcwele igceke. Usuphefumula kangcono njengoba le nkinga isixazululiwe. Udaba luxazululwe ngemva kokuthi umndeni uye kwiSoweto TV ngesonto eledlule ufuna usizo, kanti umndeni uzwakalise ukubonga okukhulu nokujabula kokuthi uKhisimusi sebezowudlela endaweni ehlanzekile.
Ngomvulo weveki ephelileyo igqiza leendaba zeSoweto TV lasabela kwisililo somnye wabahlali base-Eldorado Park Extension 8 sengxaki yamanzi angcolileyo ayigcwele izitalato kangangenyanga ezimbini, eyayibangwa kukugqabhuka kwemibhobho yogutyulo lwelindle. Kuluvuyo ukuva ukuba emva nje kosuku lodliwano-ndlebe lengxaki yaye yafumana isisombululo.
I just want to come say thank you to Soweto TV for the help that we received from them. Without them, this place would have never looked like it used to look now. We used to face dirty waters, garbage, for almost 2 months until our meteorological complaint with Soweto TV. Then that's what our complaint has been heard. I can't say, there's not much more I can say about, but the appreciation. I couldn't believe that we could have been helped in such a short time. After struggling for 2 months with this sewage waters that were flowing through our yards. But there's nothing. I thank God for those people coming out there and spoke to us. They made it possible, because without them, sewage water would have still been flowing the whole streets. We've been living in dead people out here. People know Extension 8, Connor Epson and John Scott, what it looked like. People will turn here and say, "Sis, those people is living in dead."
Xa kungoku lo mhlali ulangazelela ukuchitha ixesha lakhe leholide nosapho lwakhe ngaphandle kwevumba lamanzi angcolileyo. Enye into esisimemelelo kukulungiswa kwemingxunya egcwele izitalato.
We thought it wouldn't have been possible without them, because we thought we were going to have a black Christmas, like a dirty Christmas, a filthy Christmas, stinking Christmas, until they turned up. If you can look at the streets now, people of Extension 8, they can be proud of Soweto TV for what they've done for us. You can look, the only problem we have now is the holes. We don't know how long this pothole is going to get fixed, because now the streets are clean, no stinky waters, nothing. Sewage problems have been solved. Now we're sitting with this potholes problem. I would like the attention to our superiors to come out and look, especially our councillor, to come out and look at this place now. I want him to be surprised. See what it looks like. We voted them into power. They never listened to us.
Abahlali balangazelela ukubona kubakho utshintsho kwindlela yonikezo lweenkonzo ezingundoqo abazidingayo kunyaka ozayo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, e-Eldorado Park.